Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a field scheme in Jira and associate it with a space. A field scheme is basically the collection of fields you want available for a particular use case. Creating a field scheme does not automatically make it active in the space, so it needs to be associated with the space you're configuring. Let's get started. Click on the settings icon on the top right of the page and click on Work Items. Next, we want to navigate to Field Schemes. To do that, we'll hover over this left sidebar if it's not already out, and we'll click on Field Schemes. From here, we'll create a field scheme by clicking on Create Field Scheme. First, you'll want to name your scheme, and then you want to add a description as well, just so you can keep track of what this is for. Once you've filled out those fields, go ahead and click on Create. Now your field scheme has been created. The last step is to add the field scheme to your space so it can be used for story items. To do that, click on the three dots in the Actions column, and then click on Spaces using this scheme. The slide-out will show any spaces that are currently using this scheme. Since we just added it, of course, there's no spaces already associated with it. To do that, click on Add Spaces. From here, check any boxes that you want to apply this field scheme to. Once you've checked those boxes, click Add One Space. And you'll see a confirmation message confirming that this has been done.
I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching.